To solve this, what do you do? It's just so easy. This is your equation involving fractions. So whenever you have such equation, just quickly identify the denominator and then I will teach you what to do next. So what you do is identify the denominator. Now the denominator of this equation is 3 and 2. So what do we do? Let's begin with solution. So we are going to now take the LCM of these two, okay? So what will be the LCM, the lowest common multiples of 5 and 3? Just multiply these two, it gives you 15. Interesting. Now, what do you do with this 15? You are going to use it to multiply each of these, okay? Now, to do that, see what you are going to have. Repeat this, we have 2/3 into 3x minus 5, okay? Multiply it with this. So we're going to multiply this with 15. I hope you are with me. Then bring this down, minus 3 on 5 into 2x minus 3. Repeat the same thing, multiply by 15. Is equal to, then you have 3. You also multiply this by 15 so that the equation will be balanced, okay? Now, let's simplify further. When you have 2/3 times 15, it means 15/1. So 3 goes in itself once, goes here 5 times. So you're going to multiply 2 and 5 and it will give you 10. So what it means is that to simplify this, what do we do? You just simply use this to cancel itself and this is 5. So 2 times 5 will give us what? 10. Then introduce your 3x minus 5. So easy. Minus, do same here. 5 here is 1, 5 here is 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 times 5 gives us 45. Interesting. Now what you do next is you are going to distribute these values outside the bracket inside. So watch what you have, okay? You do same here. Remember, this is -9, so go with it, distribute. Now to do that, this gives us, multiply this and this, it gives you 30x. Multiply this and gives you -50, okay? Remember, this one has negative, so be careful to multiply -9 and 2x, and that will give us -18x. Now, -9 will multiply negative. Please be careful. Most students do this wrongly. Negative times negative, please write positive, okay? And 9 times 3 will give us 27, and this is equal to 45. You keep simplifying, just collect like terms. And to do that, you have 30x, okay, minus 18x, then minus 50 plus 27 is equal to 45. We keep simplifying. Subtract this, it gives you 12x, okay? Now, this will give us, if you add this up, it gives us -23. I hope you're with me there. Is equal to 45. Now, what do? You need to remove this. To remove it is subtraction. So what do? You add. So we're going to add this to both sides. So to do that, we have 12x is equal to 45 add 23. Interesting. So when you add this up, it gives you 12x is equal to, when you add this, it gives you 68. Now, what do you do to get x? Remember, these two are multiplying. So to get this x, you divide to remove that 12. So we divide this by 12 and then divide 68 by 12. This will cancel. So we have x is equal to, how many 12 can we find in 68? We find 5/12, okay, to give us 60, remaining 8/12. Now we can reduce this fraction. We can have it 4 will go here to give us 2, 4 will give us 3. So we can have x is equal to 5 whole number 2 divided by 3. This is our answer in fraction. You can also do it in decimal. Just calculate, use your calculator, put this in, and whatever value it gives you in the calculator, you put it down. And I hope this helps you. Please help us to share this. Thank you and see you in our next class. Bye-bye.